Hi. Okay, let's talk a little bit about statistics and norms. A lot of students dread learning about these, especially students who have math phobias, but let me say a few things about them. These are basically the building blocks of what we'll be doing in the rest of this course, and they're really not that hard to understand, and if you have a good grasp of these concepts, then you'll be able to interpret most of the psychological tests that are on the market, assuming of course that you obtain proper training in the use of those tests. Now, the majority of psychological tests use some sort of a scaling system to measure psychological characteristics, kind of like how we use a thermometer to figure out how warm it is outside. And we'll talk about these, as well as some simple mathematical summary indicators like means and standard deviations to give us information about test scores. And actually, something you'll run across more often than these things are what are called standard scores, because these are what help us figure out where people stand in relation to one another, whether it's in terms of intelligence or personality traits or whatever it is that we're measuring. So we'll talk about the most common types of standard scores and end with the discussion of norms. Now, once you're done reading the lecture notes, you'll have the opportunity to do an exercise so you can apply what you've learned to a real-life case. And that's what I hope you get out of this course, an understanding of how to use these concepts in the real world. So, happy reading.